It's Pam Voth, and I'm back with block 6 of the Spectrum Quilt Along on the Quilt Social website. I'm completing my blocks using fabrics from the Delightful collection by Riley Blake. Block 6 gave me the opportunity to experiment with color. I kind of went off the grid and I chose some darker colors and some different matches than what I would have used if I had followed directly how I had labeled my fabrics originally. And as I get further into the quilt along, I realize that this is all about practicing both my skills and using my creativity to ensure that my version reflects me, my vision, my choices. I love problem solving, and a big part of problem solving is the think aloud part of figuring out what to do. This is where my quilting group jumps in. We talk, we laugh at our mistakes, and we try a variety of solutions. I always get great advice, and I value both my time in learning and in building the friendship that seeps far outside of quilting into supporting each other and having fun together. I chose to combine darks and mediums and lights and to use a few of the colors from the collection that I had not used a lot or not used since maybe the beginning when I started with blocks 1 and 2. While the center block remains the same as block 5, there's a great combination, I feel, of the dark blues and then the other flowered fabrics that really go together to make this block, I feel, quite stunning. And one thing that I have learned as a quilter, and certainly from looking at the way Paul has done it, is the importance of repeating fabrics throughout your quilt design so that everything kind of comes together and it looks like all the different blocks belong as part of the quilt. I like the versatility of this pattern and the many opportunities to hone my quilting skills, but use my creativity and look at the options available in each block. I think and talk with my quilting group about the advantages and disadvantages of each option, and then I feel I've come up with a pretty beautiful solution and one that suits my style. If you haven't found a quilting group, look for one or create one. Invite some friends to quilt. You can take your machines to a common location like a community center or meet in each other's homes. Whatever you do, it will enrich your life in more ways than just quilting. So please take the time to connect with me and share your version of block 6 by posting it at #TheSewGoesOn. Be sure to check out my version of Spectrum Quilt Along blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well.